It is a beautiful, snowy, sunny day. We did not think we were gonna get any more snow this year, but here we have it. We have like 5 inches of fresh powder. Today, we are going to an Easter event in Otsego, Minnesota to give out candy to kids for Easter. Coincidentally, it's April Fool's Day, so. But we're still gonna do it. It's not an April Fool's. That's a darn lot.
I think we'll go back the other way, huh?
Think we might go back the other way?
I think so.
Maybe. Well, we are now going the other way, so that's fun. Go. RC track. So we're gonna take this, put a trailer on it, put all these eggs in there, take the eggs out of the car. They all think it's fun, so let's do that. Got everything?
Found the table. Oh, that's a lot of eggs.
Yeah.
I should do this part.
Yeah, I already have a bag. Yeah, too bad.
Hi. Just RC car.
Yeah, just making sure it all works. We're representing the RC track in Otsego today. We have a YouTube channel if you want to check it out. So now what we need to do, 50 eggs. Yeah, about 50 eggs to do. Each kid's gonna get 1 egg. There you go. We're not gonna wear these. I'm gonna see if I can put it on the truck. There we go. Got the eggs in there, so we should be good. There we go. That's jerry rig down there.
Jerry rig everything.
That looks good. We got about 5 minutes till 800 kids come. Well, everything is going really smoothly. We just need some drinks, so I'm going out to the truck. Tea and coffee right here. Thought we might not have enough eggs. We've got a lot. And we got blue and orange eggs. Look at, there's still more, and it's like 30 minutes till we're done. It's just the same as always. Kids come, like grab an egg. But we'll be back once things change. All right, so that is in fact a wrap for today. We're just cleaning up our little mess. 871 kids, right?
Yep.
A lot of kids. Tune in next time to see what we get at the auto show. Might be some really cool footage. It's not an RC car video. It's the first real automotive video that we're ever gonna be doing.
Is this his cookie?